My girl. Achalunku. Sweet 16. Elele Bejalo. See, let me tell you. I will take you to the moon. Just give me some chance. Oh, ping, ping, ching, ching.
Hi, don't do me. I don't understand.
Yeah?
You they mad. You don't know your mates.
Always, I'm always mad.
You are always. I can see that you are mad. You are very. You show for your face, Oga. Oga, you show for your face. You did very stupid. Because say height is deceiving. You dey crazy. You dey talk to your grandmother. You don't know your mates. Have your mate? You call me mad. When you say that you dey mad.
Wait, because I stop you now. You make it just they talk anyhow. They insult my grandmother. What you call my grandmother for here now? You dey crazy? Respect don't dey your family.
Wait,
you won't grown up man like me. Now they saw you. They
mad. You slap. Boy, I will boy like you.
If you come on for here. See, all these small girls when they the street, don't they get respect at all? She can't matter be this one. See, they insult my grandmother. If you see my grandmother here now, if you stop her, nonsense.
Anybody where are you? Huh? Where are you? Come on. Move.
You go see, I go call my papa for you. I don't call my papa for you.
Okay. Show me the person.
See him.
Show me the animal.
See him here. See the boy here.
Boy, how?
Give me what to slap.
Okay.
Me? Hot slap? Where?
So now you, as old as you are, you lift up your filthy hands and slap my daughter. That you stopped her on the road and you are talking Okwarala with her is not enough. You lift up your hands and give her almost 20-something strokes of slap. Why? 20-something times.
Organo verse. I don't know her now. This is where you talk that they strange for myself.
Wait a minute. I resemble you, small pig. You want to use my head to chop Ugari? You want to use my head to chop Ugari? If you fall on that anointing, you go to. If you fall on that anointing, go carry you go down. Oh yeah, name come.
Okay, wait. This is where you talk that they confuse me. You know me? Do I know you? Who are you? I don't know you.
You want to say you don't know me? Now you slap me. Give me. You understand? This slap for you. No.
Me?
You want to see my papa?
Oh yeah. What's up? Slap my back.
Why you slap me back? I don't know how now.
Slap my back. No why? Jump up. What? Your hand must. Come on. Go up ahead. Slap.
What did happen here? You know this girl? You know this girl?
Hold on. What did happen here? No, come here. Who among them slapped you?
Papa, I'm bit confused.
They're confused. But they slap no confused for your face. Who among you slap her?
You see, you